so we have 2 crescent dough sheets here. This one wants to fall apart, but don't worry. They kind of just smush back together real easy. And I'm just laying this out on my sheet pan. Stretch it out, give it a nice little crust on both the sides. I'm gonna grab a fork and just get some holes in here. This is just gonna help this crescent roll not puff up too much because we are putting something on top of this. You're just gonna have to wait and see. It's gonna be a yummy and easy dessert. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for like 10 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. Grab 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese. Scrape that whole thing into your bowl, just like that. Came out perfect. Okay. I'm gonna grab some sweetened condensed milk. And we're just gonna do a nice little drizzle in here. We're gonna do about ½ a cup of sweetened condensed milk. That looks just about right. And then a splash of vanilla extract. This is gonna be kind of like a cheesecake consistency, but it's gonna taste way better and it's gonna go perfectly with our crescent dough sheets and what we have coming next. Looks perfect. Now we're just gonna wait for that dough sheet to cook. Would you look at that? That's what we want it to look like, that buttery, flaky, browned. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get our little cream cheese mixture and we are just gonna spread that right on top. It's gonna melt and be just delicious on this. Okay, oh yeah, make sure there's a thin layer on the entire sheet pan. This is gonna be such a delicious dessert. It's only a few ingredients and it's so good. I love making this for the spring, summertime because it just has those delicious, you know, refreshing flavors that you just want during spring or summer. Okay, let's get this a nice layer right on top, edge to edge, not getting on top of the little crusts we made. Get that whole mixture out of our bowl. I'm using a spatula like you guys told me to.
So is this mixture sweet?
Yes, sweetened condensed milk is super sweet. This is gonna be a sweet dessert, okay?
A dessert?
Yeah. All right,
What?
just make sure that cream cheese mixture is thinned out, just like this. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab peach pie filling. I told you it was gonna be refreshing and delicious. Just go ahead and get that whole can right out. Nothing left behind. There's one little one that doesn't want to get out of the can. There we go, okay. I'll spread that pie filling right on top, and don't worry, I got 2 cans of that pie filling so we can cover up this entire dessert pizza. That's what this is. It's a delicious and easy dessert pizza.
Dessert pizza?
Yeah.
I love peaches too. I'm excited.
The peaches smell so good, you guys. Okay. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Okay. And honestly, you could just serve it as is right now, but I'm gonna pop mine in the oven real quick just to heat up those delicious peaches and get this nice and ready to serve. Beautiful. All right. So I'm just gonna pop this in for 5 minutes to get those peaches warmed up, and then it's gonna be done. All right, this is ready. Oh, the peaches smell amazing, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and cut a slice out. Oh my, this is gonna be so good.
Smells so good. Cut me a slice too?
Oh yeah, I got you. Okay. And I did spray the bottom of my pan, so this comes off super easy. Look how perfect that is. I want some more peaches on mine, so I'm just gonna steal them. Don't judge me, you guys. We all know we wanted more peaches on this slice. That looks perfect. Okay, I'm gonna top mine with some Ready Whip, and then this is ready. Okay, let's give this a try. Just fold it like you do with all pizzas. That one's good.